Hi. Welcome to Xpoda. In this video, we will start to recognize the Xpoda client platform via a print design. Log into your account and go app from client screen. First, click on the form button on the client screen. Type the name of the form. Add XR label by dragging and dropping from the design tools on the left side to the design screen. Name it as Daily Activity Report from Properties. You can edit the appearance as you want. Add an XR picture box from the design tools. Add 2 XR tables. Select the table cell 1 and name it as Responsible. Edit the layout size of the table. Select the table cell 2, name it as Task, and edit layout size. Select the table cell 3, name it as Message. Click on the Insert Column to Right button. Select the table cell 7 and click on the Insert Column to Right button. Name it as Hours and edit layout size. Select the table cell 8, edit layout size, and name it as %. Edit layout sizes of the other tables. Insert 2 columns and edit layout sizes. Edit the top margin band and detail band. Edit the appearance of the selected tables as you want. Click the menu on the left and select Add New Field. Select Type as Data Source and type the field name as Activities. Prepare the SQL query from the tables you created earlier. Create date will be filtered into the query. Select equal from the filter operations and type get date to the filter. Type other name and save the query. Edit the SQL query. Click on the Save button. Click the menu on the left and save the form design. You will return the client screen. Click on the Form button. Select the Activities form and open it. Select Data Member from the properties on the right side to the design screen. Select Table Cell 4 and select Data Bindings as responsible from the properties. Select Table Cell 5 and select Data Bindings as Task Title. Select Table Cell 6 and select Data Bindings as Message. Select Table Cell 10 and select Data Bindings as Hours. Select Table Cell 9 and select Data Bindings as Percentage. Click the menu on the left and save the form design. Return to the Xpoda Studio. Add a button to your form and name it as Report Activities. Add New Action to button and select the ones required. Operation will be Send Email form. Type Activities in the Design File field. Type an email address after the query. Select in the To Whom field. Type Daily Task Report in the Subject field. Type content to be sent by email in the Content field. Don't forget to save the action. Save and run your app to see changes. You can start using it right away. Have fun.